Alright, how's it going, YouTube? Out with the Hpi Rs4. This is the Super Nitro. Brung it out. Shout out to Hybrid. He did request a video of it running, so I went ahead and bought 20%. I said, let me go ahead and run it. So right now I'm gonna set it up, let it get warmed up, and take it from there. Alright, y'all, we're gonna make sure she right, and then we're gonna put the body on. A lot of pulling to the left. Let me put the body on. Running a lot better. Let me get to put the body on. I should have filled it up before I put the body back on. It's geared real high, so it would really have to get a good stretch to hit the second gear. Oh, gotta watch out for the people in here. They just come through. They don't care. That's stock everything, so. You know it don't got plenty of power, but it got some power in there. I think I heard that 2-speed kick in just now. Heard it right at the end. See them tires sliding like glass. I need to every time it kick in, I get off of it. Yeah, it kicked in right there. Yeah, it needs some foams on here. Probably do a lot better. She running good though. Woo. Alright guys, we're gonna call it a wrap. Definitely need to be tuned some more, as it's still rolling. Turn the idle down or something, but anyway, y'all, thanks for tuning in. Hope y'all enjoyed the video.